wow. Okay, guys, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I was excited to get here. It's probably in the low 60s right now, which is perfect because I don't have to worry about sweating too much. And I got an energy bar with me too, so I'm gonna start scouring this place again for anything good. This is what I got yesterday. It's a pretty nice chalcedony. Very, very pristine. A little bit of calcite deposits on it too, but this one might be hollow. Never mind. And this is something I didn't see yesterday too. It's probably solid, but what the hell? Trees are throwing sticks and nuts at me. Absolute solid potato. Not too many hollow ones so far. Look, more beastly calcite. A little bit of dolomite on the side there. I found this yesterday, and I'm a bit skeptical. I think it's barite. I think it's just a absolute crap load of barite filled in a quartz geode, but it's, I don't know. This is where I wanted to climb up yesterday, so I'll probably just do that real quick. I think I see one in the little corner there, and maybe, yeah. Probably solid, but crack it open. There it goes. Flip it over. Hey, calcite. Who would have guessed? More calcite. Here's a really light geode. Get this off of it. Gosh, what is with calcite? This place is nothing but calcite, and they're all solid. Probably solid. Ooh, wow. Look at that dog tooth pointing that. Get this in the sunshine. Wow. Some excellent dolomite saddles and an excellent calcite point. Let me get that on my phone. Freaking nuts. Not bad. Pretty clear for a calcite point too, the dog tooth. Pretty neat dolomite too. Look at this beautiful little cove. Beautiful. Stunning. Beautiful. Wow. Quartz. Solid. Crazy fossils all up in here. The hell? I hear some screaming. Hey, what'd you guys guess? All right, guys, I was kind of here the other day, but on the other side of the street, real deep washout area, but the stream, it continues on the other side of the creek, so I'm going to try and follow it a little bit. It's kind of hard to get to. There's no real easy way to get in here, but I found a way, by God. I'll give this one a try, then I'll call it a day. Yep, calcite. That's boring though. Oh well. Just keep plugging through. Maybe there'll be something on the other side. I'm gonna just switch out the battery. It's getting down to 12%. But yeah, look, a whole neat little water formation. Really cool. Really freaking cool. Wow. Hellacious cliffs. Ah. Holy shit. Pardon my French, but look at this Ramp Creek wall. Wow. Well, that's a Ramp Creek. There's some geodes in it too. I might mine here a little bit. Kind of cool off. There's a geode here. There's a geode back here I'm trying to get. Oh, man. I found the absolute mother lode back here. Solid. Solid. Not solid. Nice quartz. Holy shish kebab. That one's very hollow. Ooh. Friggin' hollow. Holy moly. Just quartz, but dang, that's hollow. Dang it. Is that a geode? Sure is. Gosh darn, man. Hellacious calcite. Dang. Let's see what we got. Chalcedony, calcite, sphalerite. Some nice dogtooth calcite growing right here and a touch of sphalerite. That's pretty cool. Not keep worthy though, but definitely keep looking. Well guys, I've found a few small ones, but really there's nothing quite that big or hollow. I think I'm gonna start heading back because you know all the ones I found over here, they're neat and all, but I've already got some like it, so I'm not even gonna try to attempt to walk up there, which I probably could, but not really worth it at this point. So I'm gonna start casually sauntering back, hoping to maybe see one downstream or something. Interesting. Very interesting. America! Oh. 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 Cool. Not bad. It's hollow. Let's see what the other half holds. Not bad. If this decides to, oh wow. If this decides, no, it's gonna break. Darn it. Oh well, I mean, it's just dolomite. Cool. Just crack this open, guys. It's a geode, totally filled in the center with sphalerite. It's pretty gnarly. I might take this one. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll take this piece. It's small enough, it's not going to be really cumbersome. It's cool.